Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the background in Canva for 2026. It's super easy, and yeah, you can do it in just a few clicks even if you've never done it before. First, open the Canva project where you want to remove the background. You can either start a new design or open an existing one. Both work perfectly. Next, click on the image you want to edit. Make sure the image is highlighted before you try to remove the background. Otherwise, it won't work. Now, go to the top toolbar and look for Edit Image. Click that, then select Background Remover. Canva will automatically detect and remove the background for you, which is really cool. If you need, you can use the Erase or Restore brushes to fine-tune any areas. This is helpful for tricky edges or shadows. Yeah, it can get really precise. When you're happy with the background removal, just click Download or continue editing your design. Make sure to choose the correct format like PNG if you want a transparent background. And that's it. You've successfully removed the background in Canva for 2026. It's fast, easy, and gives your designs a professional look. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any upcoming Canva tips.